All right, we're here at 825 Myrtle Ridge, and just wanted to take a quick look at this nice 3-bedroom ranch home on a 3/4 acre piece of property on a cul-de-sac here. Myrtle Ridge Drive here is a 25-mile-per-hour road. It connects 544 to 501. You see the sidewalk going across the front. I'm going to pan across the front of the property, and this property goes all the way over to where you see the stake in the distance there by that fence, the white fence. Huge piece of property right here on the corner. House has a relatively new roof. The roof looks in great condition. It's got gutters, it's vinyl, it's on a slab, and I'm going to walk around the outside because we can't get in today. I just wanted to show you the house. In fact, I'll walk up the sidewalk here to the cul-de-sac. Give you an idea, here's your cul-de-sac. All right, I'm off the sidewalk now onto the street, the cul-de-sac. So here's your neighbors. Nice little cul-de-sac. And then here's the house from this vantage point. Yes, sirree, all that property, all the way back. Privacy, it's here. This is a true 2-car garage, wide door, easily get 2 full-size cars in there. And then on the back side of the house here, we have a screen porch and a patio with a pool and a well pump and a storage building. I'm going to walk up the property line. Here's the stake. The property line on an angle follows that fence line up ahead. So, I'm going to walk it as far as I can before we run into vegetation. But it keeps going up and then over, all the way down like we just saw, across the front. So here we are. The fence line continues through this brush. Here's the back of the house. That's a door coming from the master bedroom over there out to the pool. This is a Carolina room right here. And then the screened-in porch there that is outside the garage. We can't get in today, but this is a very nice ranch home with a lot of features to it. Here's the pool. The pool is being treated, so it had a lot of pine straw in it, and the pool companies work on it these next couple of days. But it's blue. It's a nice pool. We have a 8x12 workshop. Shelves inside of it. Electric and water is in it. We have a fence going to the outside. It's all grown over here, but we can clear that out. And here's your pool equipment right here. The pool area is very nice. Here's their well pump house here, which feeds the irrigation system. And you see back there is where that property line is. Goes across the back, and it goes back here, behind the pump house, and you see through the fence to that angle over there. And then it goes in that direction down to the end of the property. Part of our thinking is that it might be possible to bring a driveway in off that cul-de-sac over there and right along that fence line to access the right half of the property here, because you only need 10,000 square feet per lot to build a home. And this is 36,000 square feet, if I recall correctly, for the size of the lot. So our thinking is it might be possible to literally put another house on that second half of the lot over there to subdivide this property. Just thinking out loud. We've already looked into it with the county, and it's a process that you have to go through to do it. It would need some kind of a variance if we wanted to pull a driveway off of Myrtle Ridge Drive. But we're wondering if it would not be anywhere near the problem if we pulled the driveway right across the back of the property. So we're just thinking out loud. At the very least, another shop or a workshop could be built over there for storage and have access to it per a driveway on your own property on this side. So anyway, this home has a lot of possibilities, but having a pool built in And a nice size patio here. Already, at this price point, it's an unbelievable amount of home for the money. And the property alone, I mean, 3/4 of an acre. It's hard to beat. Anyway, just thinking out loud, wanted to take a picture so you could see what it is, and we would just go from there. All right, I'm coming back up here, then I'll shut things down. There you go, all the way out there to get to the front. In fact, I'll tell you what, I'm going to walk around to the other side of the property. I got to show it to you closer up. And then we'll be done. Sorry for the extended video. I'm going to walk around this patio here, this walkway, to get to the front of the house. All right. Here's the right side of the house, and you recall from the beginning of the video. This is the side yard. There's your HVAC unit. There's the fence with the pool filter on the other end of it. There's the pool workshop. This is the property, the remaining property on the other side of the home. This is all part of this lot. Phenomenal sized lot. It's already grassed. It's already got some landscaping to it. And it's got a fence behind it all the way down. I believe the fence is other people's fence. But I'm going to go down to that marker down there. Feel like I've been walking forever. And then I'm going to turn around so you can get a view back. I think this line probably comes down a little bit. I'm not sure where the easements are. But this is the property. There's the house way back there. This is all this property with this home. So I'm going to walk the fence line. But it's remarkable. It's an awful lot of home. And a great piece of property in a convenient location, just a couple of miles from Coastal Carolina University. Long 544, we're just a few miles from Highway 31, giving you full access to everything in Myrtle Beach. In fact, just up Myrtle Ridge Road here, a couple of miles, is 501. And 501 is the heartbeat, the direct in for so many people coming into the area. And everything imaginable, shopping, restaurants, it's here. So here we are. You see the fence line there bordering the property. Look at this. This is remarkable. Here's the fence. There's the pool. So we're just thinking out loud with possibilities here on this lot. But imagine if there was a fence right here segmenting the two. And this whole lot over here could be sold off. Possibly. If not, it can be enjoyed in any way, shape, or form. You could fence it in, make a heck of a yard, a play yard, build another garage back here. The possibilities may be endless. All right, let us know if you have an interest in this wonderful piece of property. It won't last long.